Currently, I'm making a bottle cover. Um, if any of you want a tutorial, let me know. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but you can ask. It's me being sarcastic. That's not a fact. If you'll ask me, I will make it. I have no choice. I have to. Me trying to be cool. This is going to be so fun. After a while, I'm like making English videos, so I'm really excited. So you need a crochet hook and any yarn you want. But first, let me show you this Japanese drink and salad I made. Of course I made. Nobody else is gonna make it. Made it, whatever. After a while, I'm making an English video, so my grammar might be disturbing. This drink is so exciting. Like, I don't like the taste at all, but see, it's so fascinating. So basically, there is a marble inside the cap. So when you push that pink thingy on the cap, the marbles like literally falls down, and that's it. But I never saw this kind of drink anywhere, and I think it can be found in only in Japan. So it's so fascinating. But I don't like the taste of this drink. Okay, guys, hear me out. I have been telling you for a while that I just can't make tutorials. I don't know why. I but I hope you watch this for entertainment purposes. And there is another known fact about me that I can't follow a video. Either I'm too creative or I'm too messy and unorganized to follow a video. That yarn was not doing anything. I had to change the yarn. When we watch DIY videos or creative videos, it looks very easy, but most of the time we don't see the behind the scene, the struggle, the redos of all the project. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Whenever I make a crochet project or any project, I literally have to like redo so many steps. So that's like, if you're struggling with that too and you think, yeah, I'm not talented and whatever it is, that's not true. Nobody, I believe nobody in the world is talented. We we all have some qualities we're good at, but I think talent is something we learn. And exactly, like everyone, like whatever talent you're talking about, singing, dancing, creating, we all learn that from somewhere. So don't, like, if I can do it, literally you can do it. Like, anyone can do anything as long as we put our mind into it.
It's the only trail that goes uphill and the most direct route if I want to reach Outpost 75. Where are we in this? It seems like are we in the forest? A forested area? To have a combination of unflappability, which I think you have in spades, scientific know-how or knowledge, which I also think you have, more so than you, for sure. And then I think
It's very simple to make. You just need to make a round coaster like thing, and then we will just use double crochet to make around the bottle. Araya. Another kind like this, they are removable. Like this is angry sign, and this is a heart. And I made this heart into a clip. Wait, let me remove it. Let me show you. It's supposed to be, yeah. Yeah, and you can, this was just the inspiration. This was supposed to be like this. And why I made this hard removable, because I have a phone case. I made a phone case out of crocheting like this, so you can put it here. Oh no, yeah, like this. And you can even put this on your head, on your hair, not on your head. Yeah, so that's that. Two more, one is blue, one is purple. I don't have the picture of any blue one, but not blue, yeah, but I have a picture of purple one. Let me show you. I forgot to show the end result. So after making the circle thingy that I showed you, kinda, you just keep crocheting till it fits your bottle. And another thing is I put another like rope thingy inside. I don't know what to say it, so I can pull it. And wait, let me show you. It's very hard to do with one hand. Like, okay, come on, undo. Yeah. So yeah, so you can pull it down, and if you want, you can just tie it down. Yeah. But obviously it's not practical. But if you have bottle, but you want to keep your drink warm, you can make it. Or for just style, I normally use it anyways. When I want to wash it, I just remove it. But I think it depends on the yarn, because as you can see, my yarns are like very fluffy, so it keeps coming off, but yeah, if you use good yarn, I think it's very cute, very practical, and I think it's just something you can easily make. Yeah. Moving on from that, I brought this paint and this utensils, not utensils, stress, okay, whatever they called, I forgot. So if you know anything about Bangladesh, we have so many events, so many holidays, and you will often see women or men wearing kurtas, saris, or sailor kameez with like paints over them, like painted over them, the drawings, flowers, or some even nature scenes or something like that. And it's so pretty, and it's so like uniquely made, because of course most of them are handmade, so they're very unique even if they're same. So I think it's amazing. I see lots of people nowadays, like having online business about that. So I just wanted to try it out how to do it. So I bought some paint, and I think I'm not very good at drawing. I don't think so. Most of my drawings are very abstract. My style is very different from traditional Bangla drawings and stuff. So that's the thing. But I try to do something. I really love the rose I made. I think that's the only good thing I made so far. But overall, while doing it, I was noticing something that no matter how much oil I put, or not oil, sorry, water, because it was water paint or oil, it wouldn't work. Like the color wouldn't come off very like evenly, something like it would not come out evenly. I think it's because of the cloth. It depends on the cloth, the surface you're painting on, and another thing is the paint itself. But of course, you need. Later realized that you need fabric medium. I think it's called. You put them in the paint, so it becomes smooth. So you can use it on any clothes or something like that, and it also helps the paint from coming off when you wash it. So this fabric was cotton, the red one, and I think it worked better than the other fabric. But the problem was like this was bright red, so the color wasn't showing very well. But then I realized that if I have like the background, if I put little bit white first and let them dry and then draw over it, I think it will show up better. But of course, at the end of the day, you need more what, like if you don't use fabric medium, you're gonna need lots of paint. So fabric medium is very important. I'm still looking for it. I don't know where to find it in Japan. I tried to look it up online. I couldn't find anything. So probably I don't know the name right. So that's the thing. But I think if you get to know about this technique, I think it's very helpful, so artistic, so amazing. The end result is amazing. I'm still into crocheting right now, so I haven't put lots of thought or investment in this hobby. But this is my future target. Really want to make a sari out of this, so that's my goal in future.